What's going on? So the first round of my Black Friday deals has arrived. We got two shift knobs from Raceseng. Now, their packaging is amazing. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you to show you the presentation and how it's gonna look when you were to open it yourselves. Obviously, I opened these already. They look beautiful. The craftsmanship is amazing. I couldn't pick between these two. I had one that was similar to my old car and then another one which really stood out to me. And with their Black Friday, they had 20% off and free shipping the entire order. So I took advantage of that. It was an amazing deal. So let's get into it. We'll do one at a time. So first up is the Contour, as you're gonna see right here. Now this knob reminds me of the knob I had in my E92 M3. It was from TWM Performance, which I believe went out of business. I saw this, it really grabbed my attention. So right off the bat, you do have a beautiful box right here with the name on it. It kind of has like a little magnetic closure over here. So once you open it, you're presented with a beautiful look. So first of all, you got the R, their logo, cut out into the foam, which is a nice little piece. Now you have this, a racing story. You got some information about the company, little discount codes over there, some more info here, little sticker, and it's just the fine detail. So check it out. Here, to download your installation guide, they have a little scan QR code over here, or you could probably just go to the website down there. Now, why is this nice? Well, first of all, let's say they update over time the way they, because they have a proprietary system. The other one has it for the threading. I'll show you later. So it's always nice because if they do updates, they could do it right here live. But check it out. There's actually, I don't know if you could see, right up here, there's actually a slit in the foam just to put this in there. It's that little attention to detail where they went to really make this perfect for the presentation. Now for the shift knob, this little guy's heavy. This is the Contour in a Bead Blasted finish. Look at that. They make adapters for tons of different cars, probably almost all the vehicles out there. I know they make a ton of different adapters. So it's gonna sit very tight, very secure. They put the adapter and then this will thread onto their adapter afterwards. So this is a beautiful Bead Blasted finish, as you can see. It's got a lot of weight to it. I forget the exact weight off the top of my head. I'll probably put it up over here somewhere. I'll put the weight. So that's this one here. I think it's gonna feel amazing in the hand, depending on, either way you wanna shift. It's called the Contour. It really does contour to your hand. It feels amazing. So let's move on to the next one. The next one's a really, really special piece. All right, so up next we have the Stratos. This is, I would say, semi-newer addition to their lineup. It's really nice. It's got, you can pick from a black nappa leather, perforated nappa leather, or a Alcantara. I went with the nappa leather, and the translucent red finish. And this has the core, which is the adapter in the middle. For my car, this is going on a Fiat 124 Spider Abarth. Let's check this out. So again, obviously everything else is the same. You got the little booklet here, you get this, you get that. This one, unlike the other one, has the adapter. So this will thread onto your factory shaft, basically, for the shifter. And then the knob will go on top of this. This is like a shift, not a shift collar. They actually sell separate pieces that are a little more fancy. I think this is like they call a shift, maybe like the boot retainer, so there's no sagging or anything, and it kind of slides right up into the groove on the bottom of the shift knob, so the boot and the knob will kind of sit perfectly together. And then you have a zip tie to make sure you zip tie it once you fold the boot over, which this is not an installation video, so another time we'll go over that. Let's check this out. So this is the Stratos. It is beautiful. It's in translucent red with a black nappa leather surround. It's got the shift pattern engraving. It really looks amazing. The way that Raceseng explains this translucent finish, I know they make it in, I think it's a blue, a red is kind of like their primary, but they have a custom shop where you could really do like crazy different colors and different types of finishes and textures. They kind of call it like a translucent finish that kind of shows the brushed metal underneath. And it's hard to see on this one in particular because you only have it on the top and the bottom. But as I'm turning it, you should be able to see some reflections going on. The best way I can put it, it just has like a lot of depth to it. It's not like a flat, solid red. It just has a lot of depth to it. And honestly, it looks beautiful. And I think this is gonna look really good in the 124 Barth, since the 124 has a red tack and it has a couple other little red bits here and there. You know, the seats have some red stitching, the tack has a beautiful red. So I think this is gonna look really nice on it. So yeah, on screen now, I'll probably show a little picture that I took that kind of shows both of these knobs side by side. I think they're both gonna have a really great feel to it. The Stratos is gonna sit a little bit taller. It's gonna weigh a little bit less. The Contour is gonna sit a little bit lower. It's gonna feel a little bit heavier, but regardless, they're both gonna be weighted at a heavier weight than the factory knob, which is really gonna feel nice. I've always been a fan of upgrading to a weighted shift knob. One, it really allows you to customize the interior to the style that you like. It really makes it pop a little bit more. And two, it really improves the shifting feel. The gears just glide in so much better, especially when you're downshifting and you need to quickly go from, let's say, third to second or something. It just really amplifies that driving experience. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested, you can check out raceseng.com. This is not sponsored by any means. I just thoroughly loved the way these products came out. It was my first time trying out Raceseng, and they came out great. So if you guys liked this video and I helped you out, go ahead and share it if you would like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below. Let me know which one you like better, the Contour, the Stratos. Let me know if you've tried Raceseng knobs before, what colors you guys would like, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you soon.